Hello everyone, I'm Mary Detling from Saline Main Street, and I am out here while the band is getting set up for Salty Summer Sounds. This event has been going on for probably 15 years now. Longer than Saline Main Street has actually been around, but it's every Thursday night in the summer, now through August 14th, and it starts at 7 o'clock p.m. and we are in the West Henry Street parking lot. Just come downtown, you'll find us. Have a great day and we hope to see you here.